Hey everyone, welcome back to Camera Lab. Today we're diving into the top 11 best beginner vlogging cameras that are perfect for anyone starting their vlogging journey. Whether you want stunning 4K quality, flip screens for selfies, or Wi-Fi connectivity for instant sharing, we've got you covered. I'll break down each camera's features, pros, and what makes it stand out so you can pick the one that fits your style and budget. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. "4K Vlogging Camera Kit." If you're just starting, the 4K Vlogging Camera Kit is a complete package that's beginner-friendly yet professional. It delivers sharp 4K video quality with vibrant colors, making your content pop instantly. The kit includes a tripod, external microphone, and even extra batteries, so you're ready to film anywhere. Its compact design fits perfectly in your hand or bag, which is ideal for on-the-go shooting. I love the easy-to-navigate menu system. Even if you've never handled a camera before, you can start vlogging within minutes. Plus, the autofocus is smooth and keeps your subject crisp. Overall, it's an all-in-one solution for beginner vloggers who want high-quality videos without complicated setups. 4K Flip Screen Camera. The 4K flip screen camera is perfect if you love selfie-style vlogging. Its flip screen allows you to frame yourself perfectly, whether indoors or outdoors. Recording in 4K ensures your videos are crystal clear, and the built-in image stabilization reduces shaky footage, which is a huge win for travel vloggers. It's lightweight, so you can carry it everywhere without fatigue. The battery life is surprisingly long for its size, letting you film longer sessions. I also appreciate the simple touchscreen controls that make switching modes quick and intuitive. For anyone starting a vlog and wanting a portable camera that delivers professional quality videos, this flip screen camera is an excellent choice. 4K Wi-Fi Vlogging Camera. The 4K Wi-Fi vlogging camera is perfect for creators who want quick sharing. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can transfer your videos directly to your phone or social media in seconds. The 4K resolution delivers crisp, vibrant videos, and the autofocus is impressively fast. Its compact body fits easily in your hand, making it ideal for travel or daily vlogs. I also love the intuitive control system. Even beginners can switch between modes and settings effortlessly. The camera supports external microphones too, so your audio is as clear as your video. For anyone who wants convenience, high-quality footage, and fast sharing, this Wi-Fi-enabled vlogging camera is a solid option. 4K Vlogging Flip Camera. If you want versatility and quality, the 4K Vlogging Flip Camera is a great pick. Its fully adjustable flip screen allows you to capture yourself perfectly from any angle. It records in stunning 4K resolution, and the image stabilization ensures smooth footage even when moving. The camera is compact, making it easy to carry on trips or daily outings. The menu system is beginner-friendly, so you can start recording quickly without getting lost in complicated settings. It also supports external microphones and extra lenses for more creative control. For new vloggers who want flexibility, portability, and high-quality video, this flip camera is an ideal starting point. 4K Vlogging Beginner Camera. The 4K Vlogging Beginner Camera is designed specifically for new content creators. It delivers vibrant 4K video quality with clear sound, perfect for YouTube or social media. Its compact design makes it easy to carry around for daily vlogs or travel adventures. The menu system is intuitive, letting beginners adjust settings like white balance and exposure without stress. Image stabilization is included, so even handheld shots look smooth. The camera also supports external microphones and accessories, which is great if you plan to upgrade your setup later. Overall, it's a reliable, affordable choice that balances ease of use with professional-level video quality, making your first vlogging experience enjoyable and stress-free. 5K Wi-Fi Vlogging Kit. The 5K Wi-Fi Vlogging Kit takes your content up a notch with 5K video resolution, giving your footage unmatched clarity. The kit includes a tripod, microphone, and protective case, so you have everything to start vlogging immediately. Built-in Wi-Fi allows fast sharing to your phone or social platforms, perfect for creators on the move. The camera is lightweight but sturdy with smooth autofocus and effective image stabilization. The touchscreen controls are intuitive, making it simple to switch modes or adjust settings. For anyone starting vlogs and wanting high-quality, shareable content without complex setups, this 5K Wi-Fi Vlogging Kit is a fantastic investment for both beginners and aspiring pros. 4K Zoom Travel Vlogger. The 4K Zoom Travel Vlogger is a must-have for those who love adventure and travel content. Its zoom lens allows you to capture distant scenes with impressive clarity, while 4K video ensures every detail is crisp. The camera is compact and lightweight, perfect for carrying on hikes or city tours. I like the smooth image stabilization, which keeps footage steady even on bumpy terrain. It's beginner-friendly with easy-to-use controls and supports accessories like external mics or tripods for more versatility. For travel vloggers who want professional-looking videos without bulky equipment, this 4K Zoom Travel Vlogger offers the perfect balance of portability, high-quality visuals, and practical features. Number 8. Pro 5K Creator Camera. The Pro 5K Creator Camera is designed for serious beginner vloggers who want professional quality without complexity. Recording in 5K, it provides crisp, detailed footage, making every shot look cinematic. The camera comes with built-in stabilization and fast autofocus, so your videos are smooth and sharp. I love the sleek design that's compact enough for handheld shooting, but sturdy enough for daily use. It also supports Wi-Fi sharing and external microphones, giving flexibility for social media uploads and better audio. The touchscreen is intuitive, perfect for beginners learning the ropes. Overall, the Pro 5K Creator Camera is a premium choice for vloggers who want high-quality, easy-to-use gear that grows with their skills. Flip Screen Travel Camera. The Flip Screen Travel Camera is perfect for vloggers on the go. Its fully adjustable flip screen makes framing yourself easy whether you're exploring the city or recording at home. The camera records in vibrant 4K video and comes with image stabilization to ensure smooth, professional-looking footage. It's compact and lightweight, ideal for travel, and fits in most bags. Beginners will love the simple menu system and intuitive touchscreen, which makes switching modes a breeze. The camera also supports accessories like microphones or tripods for better audio and stability. If you want a portable, easy-to-use camera that delivers high-quality content wherever you go, this flip screen travel camera is a solid choice. Compact Wi-Fi Creator Camera. The Compact Wi-Fi Creator Camera is a small powerhouse that's perfect for beginners who want convenience without sacrificing quality. Its built-in Wi-Fi makes sharing footage to social media or smartphones super quick. Recording in 4K, this camera delivers sharp, colorful videos with smooth image stabilization. Its lightweight design is ideal for carrying around all day, and the touchscreen controls are intuitive for fast adjustments. I love that it supports external microphones, making your audio just as professional as your visuals. For new vloggers who want a compact, portable camera that's easy to use and share, this Wi-Fi Creator Camera is a versatile and practical choice that won't disappoint. 6K Wi-Fi Flip Camera. The 6K Wi-Fi Flip Camera offers impressive video quality for beginners wanting top-notch visuals. Recording in 6K resolution, it captures sharp, detailed footage, while the flip screen makes self-recording easy and fun. Built-in Wi-Fi allows instant sharing to your phone or social media, perfect for active creators. Its image stabilization ensures smooth, professional-looking videos even while moving. The camera's lightweight, portable, and easy to operate, making it perfect for travel, daily vlogs, or creative projects. Beginners will appreciate the intuitive touchscreen and simple menu system, which makes adjusting settings effortless. For anyone seeking a high-resolution, versatile camera with Wi-Fi and flip screen functionality, the 6K Wi-Fi Flip Camera is an excellent choice to kickstart your vlogging journey. That's a wrap on the top 11 best beginner vlogging cameras. Each of these cameras offers unique features to help you create amazing content, whether you're just starting or looking to upgrade. From compact Wi-Fi-enabled cameras to 6K flip screen options, there's something here for every style and budget. Don't forget, you can find all the product links and prices in the description below to make your choice easier. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow creators, and subscribe to Camera Lab for more honest reviews and tips. Happy vlogging!